'Twas the night before Christmas, and all across the land, the workers at Holdcroft had a surprise at hand. On the eve before handover, the customers were in their beds. Visions of a new car danced in their heads. While out in the valet bay, something secret had arrived. It was left in the dealership. 'Twas a Christmas surprise.
Christmas is upon us, and here at Holdcroft we are getting right into the festive spirit, and in doing so, giving back to our customers. That is why we've been working like elves in Santa's workshop to give our customers a little surprise on handover day.
A little treat for you.
Oh, God.
Tell me about your grandchildren. Yeah. So we've got a little set. So, and at least they won't fight over the teddies.
I'll do what? Thank you.
So, no, thank you so much for your business. All right, and we do hope you have a lovely Christmas.
Goodie bag.
Yeah. Some Holdcroft.
What you say? This is what you said. Thank you very much.
Obviously getting married on 29th of this month. It's a very small gift of ourselves at Holdcroft and Son. So thank you for your business, because have a fantastic wedding on the 29th.
Thanks so much, Chris.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
From all of us here at Holdcroft, Merry Christmas.